In this video, I will take you through what Chat GPT is and how to use it. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence tool that was developed and launched by OpenAI in November 2022. I've been using OpenAI for some time now, and particularly when they launched Chat GPT, the software has particularly been very good and very effective, very accurate. And experts in the technological industry have predicted that ChatGPT is going to crash a lot of industries, it is going to crash a lot of companies, and a lot of jobs are going to be lost because of how effective the software is and its uses. So, for example, you can use ChatGPT for customer service, you can use it as a virtual assistant, you can use it to do research, and it seems to answer questions very perfectly and very accurately when you ask it. So this video is going to take you through how to use it and how effective it is and how you can really use it for whatever you want to do, whether it is content creation, whether for writing your blog articles, for whatever it is that you want to use it for, it can help you. So let's go into how to use it. Okay, so to use ChatGPT on your phone, you'll come to your browser and type chat.openai.com, chat.openai.com, and you search for it. Okay, so for me, I was already logged in, so I'm going to log out and then try going into it again. Okay, so when you type chat.openai.com, this interface will come. So you will be asked to either log in or sign up. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you just click on sign up, put your email and then your details, you sign up, they'll send an email to your phone number, then you verify it, then you can log in. Now you can click, if you were already logged in or if you have an account, you can click login. Okay, so they'll ask you to put your email and the password, so I'm continuing with Google. So as you can see, I've logged in, I've got to Chat GPT. So for example, let's say I want to ask a question, so something like Facebook ad copy for weight loss. You see, so as you can see, these are excellent examples of ad copies for weight loss. Very good examples that I would have spent a lot of time thinking and writing, but I've already got it. Then for example, let's say you want to ask a question like let's say how to succeed fast. Okay, so there was an error. I'll just type, okay, I'm submitting it again. Oh, there's a network problem. Sorry, I put my phone on flight mode. Okay. Okay, so my network is back. So how to succeed fast? Okay. So as you can see, very clear, specific answers. Very good. So as you can see, is this not nice and very easy? So you just come follow whatever it is, whatever has been written there. Let's say you want to write an essay. Okay, so let's ask it. Okay, good. So let's say this time we want to write an essay on write an essay on artificial intelligence. You see how fast it writes, and it's very accurate. So though this chat is still in the initial stages, it is a very useful and very convenient and very powerful tool that can help you avoid wasting a lot of time in some of the things that you will normally waste time to think and do. Very simple and easy to use and a powerful tool. So you have to this is how to use it on a phone. You can, it's just similar process you have to follow on a computer, and in the coming days I'm going to do several videos on how to use it for several other things. You can watch out for all that I'm going to do. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I release videos like this you will be the first to see it. Thank you for watching. Once again, God bless you and have a great day.